Alright everybody, this is Miss David coming to you with another drumming tutorial. I am on the yellow bucket and my student 1 is on the red bucket. My student 2 is on the blue bucket. Alright, and today we are going to be playing Despicable Me from the movie Despicable Me. And first I want to introduce you guys to the parts of the bucket. There are 3 basic parts of a bucket. First, we have the sides of the bucket, and that's right here. Students, play the sides. Okay? And then we have the rim of the bucket. Students, play the rim. Good job. Then we have the center of the bucket, or the top of the bucket. Students, play the top of the bucket. Good job. Okay. So, the motions of the Despicable Me bucket drumming tutorial are, the first one goes top, top, side to top, side, top, top, side to top, side, or you can do top, top, rim to top, rim, top, top, rim to top, rim. Okay? So students, you guys play with me when for that part, okay? So I'm going to count you in. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Top, top, side to top, side, or top, top, rim to top, rim. Excellent. All right. Okay, guys. And the next part of the Despicable Me drumming bucket tutorial is sort of like a downbeat where you're going to hear during the song. You have to listen really closely for it, though. But it's going to say boom, 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 boom. And there are 4 of those. So students, you want to play with me? So 1, 2, 3, center. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. And you have to listen really closely so you don't miss that part, okay? And then the next part of the drumming bucket is where during the song he's going to say, Despicable Me. And when he says Despicable Me, you just hit your rim 2 times, okay? So, Despicable Me. Alright, students, you want to try that part? So, Despicable Me. Excellent. And you see how the buckets are slippery? So you have to make sure that you sit up really closely to the edge of your seat and that you hold the bucket really tight in between your legs. And if you have trouble with that, then you can put the bucket on the floor like a bucket 1, okay, like my student 1, okay? All right, so let's get started. Top, top, side, downbeat,